This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Jason Moreno. Welcome to this nearly new, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, highly sought after Lantana premium floor plan home in one of the most desirable communities in Wesley Chapel, Westgate at Avalon Park. Why wait for new construction with the bare essentials when sellers have already added nearly $30,000 in upgrades since purchasing the home? These upgrades include designer landscaping that provides great curb appeal, roof gutters to protect the foundation, a screened and private lanai to enjoy the beautiful Florida weather, a vinyl fence around the backyard for privacy and peace of mind, luxury vinyl plank flooring in all bedrooms, 2.5 premium cordless blinds in all windows, all kitchen appliances, refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, and microwave oven, custom cabinet hardware, newly installed kitchen backsplash, a gorgeous kitchen faucet, and a washer and dryer. This stunning residence is move-in ready, offering a perfect blend of style, comfort, and elegance, and is directly located in front of an oversized play area for pets to run and enjoy. Upon entering this home, you're greeted by a customized wood-trim designed hallway with premium high ceilings and a modern color palette that flows seamlessly throughout the home, creating an aesthetically pleasing atmosphere. Whether you're working from home or coming back after a long day, this home provides the perfect space to relax and recharge. The carpeted bedrooms were all replaced with extra long, extra wide luxury vinyl plank flooring, enhancing the home's spacious feel and adding both elegance and durability. Off the entry, you'll find 2 cozy bedrooms and a full bathroom between them, perfect for family or guests. Continue down the expansive hallway to discover a 3rd bedroom, a well-appointed laundry room, and then the heart of the home, the gorgeous, open-concept kitchen. A striking granite countertop island sits at the center, perfect for both intimate dinners and grand entertaining. The custom hardware on the cabinets adds a refined touch, making every detail pop. Whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying a quiet evening, this kitchen flows easily into the spacious living and dining areas, where you can entertain with ease. The extra-large bedroom is located at the other end of the home for added privacy with its own master bathroom with double sink vanity, large stand-up shower, and a garden tub. If you love the outdoors, the huge, fully fenced backyard is ready for your pets to run, or maybe even your own garden retreat. As a resident of Avalon Park West, you'll have access to not 1, but 3 resort-style pools, as well as community clubhouses for hosting events. Enjoy the community's scenic sidewalks for morning walks or peaceful sunset strolls, surrounded by lush landscapes and abundant wildlife. Just minutes away, the new downtown Avalon Park West offers shopping,